Ladies and gentlemen, I don't know what you call it, but to me, this is revenge. What Bongo just did to Maruna is a pure and sweet revenge, and I'm enjoying it so much. So I want to talk about that and more here in this video. But before going to the video, I would like to request you guys to like it, and if you ain't subscribed, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scrolling down the channel so that you can watch my previous videos, and I hope that you guys are going to enjoy watching this video. So ladies and gentlemen, what you are seeing on your screen right now is Bongo. And Bongo on this scene is telling Maruna that he cannot be with him anymore and that he's choosing Owethu. So this could mean only one thing for me. I don't know, I don't care what you guys see it as, but to me, this is revenge. Look, Bongo is doing exactly what Maruna did to him. You know, Maruna went out there, slept with Gabriel, and then lied to Bongo about everything. He lied to Bongo about having a child, he lied to Bongo about sleeping with Gabriel, and all those things. So now, Bongo is getting his revenge, finally. You know, I thought Maka was in love at first, but now I can realize that no, man, those tears are tears of joy. Actually, Bongo is not really tearing because he is sad that he's choosing Owethu over Maruna. He is in fact tearing because he is happy that he finally got his revenge on this girl who played her all this time ago. So what he did is that slept with Maruna the first time, slept with her the second time. Do you remember that at first Maruna told Bongo that she lied about everything? She lied about Gabriel because she wanted to protect Bongo's feelings. She didn't want Bongo to be sad and all those things. Now Bongo is doing the exact same thing. What he did is that he told Maruna that, look girl, I love you so much, you are my soulmate, and I believe that you are my soulmate. I loved you from the first time I saw you. And after that, what did he do? He told Maruna straight from her face that as much as I love you, I cannot be with you. I am choosing Owethu. So I don't know about you guys. I don't know how sad you are, but these news are making me very much excited because people watch this channel will know that I was against this relationship from the first place. I never wanted Maruna to get back to Bongo. So I'm really happy that they are no longer getting back together. And I really hope that Bongo meant all of this because him getting back to Maruna at this point would hurt me so much. And besides, Bongo getting revenge on Maruna, I think Owethu is a good girl. She doesn't deserve any of what is happening to her caused by Maruna and Bongo. So I really hope that this guy really means it when he says that he's going to now focus on Owethu, because I really want them to get back together. I mean, Owethu is that pure, sweet, and guys, do comment in the comment section, share your thoughts and opinions with regard to this topic. And if you enjoyed content here on this video, please do like this video, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share this video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even on your TikTok. And thank you so much for watching this video. Let's engage again on the next one.